Animal Kingdom. It's windy, it is on and off rainy, but the waits are really good. I feel like the rain probably scared a lot of people away. So I'm ready to take advantage. Still can't get a flight of passage. Cross my fingers that if I keep refreshing, I'll get one. But I did get a IvyWinter journey, and I love that ride. So underrated. I know it's short, but I love it. It's fantastic. So we're gonna go see the shaman in a little bit. To be a bug, just kind of traveling through. It's kind of nice with the breeze and everything. It feels, I don't know, cooler, more exciting walking through the Tree of Life. Pretty cool experience. I often just go on this, well, I guess it's not a ride, but go to this attraction just to be able to do this. I love, love, love walking through here. It's amazing. I remember back in the day when you used to need those switchbacks. You definitely don't anymore. Big monkey. Chilling in Satuli Canteen, eating my dinner, early dinner, but an early lunch, so I'm hungry. It is coming down there, people are hiding out. Flight of passage is only 80-minute wait right now. Could change by the time I'm done eating, but I'm considering it. That's the lowest I've ever seen it. So it's tempting, but what's also tempting is all the other rides that are walk-ons right now, so we'll see. But my advice for rainy days, even in Animal Kingdom where it's open, grab yourself a raincoat, bring a good one. Don't just get a cheap poncho. Get a good raincoat or one of the more expensive ponchos and be ready to go. I have zippered pockets to put this camera in, to put my phone in so nothing gets wet. And then I don't have to worry about it. By the way, the sangria here, blue. Of course it's blue. Still raining. I passed on Flight of Passage and instead opted for a second Navi River Journey Fast Pass. So that time I can put my camera away and just enjoy it. And of course, Flight of Passage runs back up to about 95 minutes. That's okay, I'm just enjoying walking around a bit. Gonna grab a rum Dole Whip. It's 2 trips in a row now that Tamu their Dole Whip machine is broken. Apparently I'm not supposed to have run Dole Whips. 2 trips in a row, completely different months and months apart. I walk up to there, can't get a rum Dole Whip. So I guess I'm not meant to. I guess this is just not a thing I'm meant to enjoy.
But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit.
Let's do the parasite thing.
Okay, start scanning. You all got them.
We're all gonna die. This is Dinosaur on a rainy night in Animal Kingdom. Ain't nobody. Ain't nobody. This is great. This is great. Here. This is amazing. There's nobody here. There's nobody here. It is pouring once again, and heading out of Animal Kingdom. I got to hang out with Torin. If you guys don't know him, he has a great Disney Instagram. And so we met up and hung out for a little bit, and we got on Flight of Passage, 50-minute wait, which is the shortest I've like ever waited for it, just like standby. And then we rode, let's see, we did Everest, we walked onto Everest, and then we did Dinosaur, walked on the Dinosaur, and then they asked us if we wanted to ride again, so we rode Dinosaur 2 times in a row without ever getting out of the vehicle, just yelling out all of the lines. They even asked us if we wanted to go a 3rd time, but at that point we were like, yeah, we're good. It was incredible. It's so empty because of the rain. Just been a blast. Like, walked onto so many things, walked onto Everest. I think Navi River Journey went down to 10 minutes wait at one point. 10 minutes. So if you guys can come evening, Animal Kingdom, rainy day, do it. Plan your rainy evening day if you have that in the forecast. Animal Kingdom, you're gonna get a rides like nobody's business because everyone's afraid to be here because it's open. Don't be afraid. Grab your raincoat, go out there and do it. Okay, I need to go hide my camera now because it's way too wet for this.